Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Wallet and tapping the plus icon. This starts Apple Pay immediately. You'll be asked to scan or enter card details. Do that now so the phone can validate the account. Once done, you'll confirm identity via your bank's verification method, like a text code or app prompt, because Apple Pay needs a bank-approved link. Make sure Face ID and a passcode are enabled so payments are securely authorized going forward. After the card is added, you complete verification. Your bank will confirm your identity with a code or in-app message so Apple can trust the account. You then choose whether this card is your default for purchases and optionally enable express transit for quick transport fares, a convenience that bypasses Face ID on supported systems. Make sure transaction notifications are on so you can monitor charges and review privacy options because Apple limits merchant access to your data. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, glance for Face ID confirmation, then hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader. The device vibrates when complete. For apps or websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout and authenticate with Face ID or passcode. If a payment fails, make sure your phone has connectivity, the card hasn't expired or been flagged, and you're signed into your Apple ID. Restarting Wallet or the iPhone often clears temporary errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.